Ah, the cloud, the place we all dream of. The land of unlimited elastic scale, smart security, and AI, where the insights flow freely and everyone is happy. Coders, CEOs, CFOs, and all the other O's. But here on the ground, the cloud can seem almost impossible to reach. With all these big clunky servers and storage devices weighing you down, it's hard to even know where to start or what tools to use. You think about just lifting and shifting everything into the cloud, but then you can't use all the awesome tools it offers. So you consider building something from scratch, right in the cloud. You'll get all the benefits of the cloud, but it could take forever to build and cost a lot of money. Don't give up. There's another option that combines the ease of lift and shift with the benefits of building directly in the cloud. It's called replatforming, and here's how it works. Okay, let's say you have an app that turns your customers' faces into cat faces. You have a server for the website that users interact with, an app server where images are uploaded before moving to storage, a messaging server where the job is received in queue, a back-end server where the user's face is turned into a feline one, an email server where the user is emailed back to pick up their photo, and a database where all the metadata is stored. Whew. You can retire all of this old hardware built to peak demand, move to the cloud, and get all of the scalable, smart, and secure benefits of the cloud with replatforming. Oh, and Ensono can help. The first step is to observe and assess your infrastructure. Second, we lift and shift just your app code and user data to cloud computing instances, leaving behind your outdated OS and physical disk volumes. This allows you to turn up and down your services based on real-time customer demand. Next, all of those expensive storage devices are converted to cloud storage. We chuck away your DNS, replacing it with managed cloud DNS, and finally, get rid of your load balancers, instead using load balancing services. Look at that, you're in the cloud. No more tape, no more failed restores. And look, you've made the coders, CEO, CFO, and all the other O's happy. Now the only thing left to do is keep optimizing and deploying apps more quickly and more efficiently. Oh, and turning yourself into a cat. Check out Ensono.com to learn how we can help you migrate to the cloud.